As Gama Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This profound quote underscores the power of our thoughts and emotions in shaping our reality. By aligning our minds with positive energy and abundance, we can attract wealth and prosperity into our lives. Have you ever wondered how a simple spice like cloves can transform your life and attract abundance? Today, we'll explore this fascinating topic through the lens of Buddhist teachings, revealing how placing 3 cloves in specific spots can invite wealth and prosperity into your life. In Buddhism, every element of our existence is interconnected, and the energy we cultivate within ourselves can greatly influence our external world. By understanding and harnessing this energy, we can create a life filled with abundance and positivity. Let's delve into a ritual involving 3 cloves and how this simple practice can help you attract wealth and protect your home. In Buddhism, everything is interconnected and possesses its own unique energy. This energy, much like a magnet, attracts similar frequencies. Imagine tuning into a radio station. When you're on the right frequency, you attract the music you want to hear. Similarly, aligning yourself with the right energy can help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. This concept closely aligns with the law of attraction, which suggests that by harmonizing your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance, you naturally draw more of it into your life. Our inner state, thoughts, and emotions act as magnets, attracting corresponding energies from the universe. Negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and jealousy can disrupt this frequency, creating a barrier that prevents the flow of positive energy. This is why cultivating a mindset of positivity and gratitude is essential. By doing so, you align yourself with the higher frequencies of abundance and open the door to wealth and prosperity. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can help maintain this positive energy. Simple practices such as mindful breathing, gratitude journaling, and positive affirmations can significantly shift your energy. Now that we understand the energy of abundance, let's explore how a simple yet powerful ritual can help you attract wealth and prosperity. This ritual centers around the use of cloves, a spice known for its protective and spiritual properties. Cloves, small reddish-brown spices, are more than just a culinary delight. They have been used for centuries across various cultures for protection and to attract good fortune. In the context of Buddhist teachings, cloves symbolize purification and the warding off of negative energies. By incorporating cloves into your daily practices, you can harness their powerful energy to invite abundance into your life. Let's go through 3 simple yet effective rituals involving cloves. These practices are designed to protect your home, enhance your financial well-being, and create a positive, abundant environment. Ritual 1. Planting cloves for protection and prosperity. For the first ritual, you'll need 3 cloves and a plant known as mother-in-law's tongue, or snake plant. This plant is known for its hardy nature and air-purifying quality, making it perfect for this ritual. Gather your 3 cloves and plant them into the soil of the snake plant. Place the plant at the entrance of your home or office. This simple act channels positive energy and abundance into your space, creating a protective barrier that wards off negative influences and attracts wealth. Ritual 2. Cloves in your safe. Next, let's enhance the energy around your finances with another simple ritual. For this ritual, you'll need 3 cloves. Place the 3 cloves in the area where you store your money, whether it's a safe, jar, drawer, or box. Cloves offer protection and enhance the energy of wealth. As you place each clove, say an affirmation such as, "I am abundant, my wealth is protected, and prosperity flows into my life." Ritual 3. Creating an abundance charm. For the third ritual, create a portable charm that you can carry with you. This charm will serve as a constant reminder of the abundance you're attracting into your life. Get a small red cloth bag, as red symbolizes energy, power, and prosperity. Place a coin or banknote inside the bag along with 3 cloves. As you add each clove, say, "I am abundance." Close the bag tightly and carry it with you in your purse, wallet, or pocket. This little bag becomes a charm that continually attracts wealth, protection, and prosperity into your life. Ritual 4. Water ritual for health, wealth, and love. Finally, Let's enhance our practice with a water ritual that not only attracts wealth but also promotes health and love. Take a clear glass and fill it with clean water. Drop 3 cloves into the water. As you drop each clove, say, "I am money" for the first clove, "I am love" for the second clove, and "I am health" for the third clove. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office. This simple trick helps maintain a balanced and prosperous environment, encouraging positive energies to flow freely. In Buddhism, mindfulness is the key to cultivating a life of abundance. By being fully present in each moment, we can align our thoughts and emotions with positive energy. This practice helps us stay grounded and enhances our ability to attract prosperity. Daily mindfulness practices, such as mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling, can significantly shift our energy, allowing us to connect with the frequency of abundance. Integrating Buddhist teachings, the path to abundance is not just about material wealth, but also spiritual enrichment. Generosity, known as dana, is a key teaching. By cultivating a spirit of generosity and sharing our wealth with others, we create positive karma and contribute to the well-being of all beings. Another fundamental concept is the practice of gratitude. By appreciating the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract more positive experiences. Buddhism also emphasizes the importance of living mindfully. When we practice mindfulness, we become aware of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, allowing us to make conscious choices that lead to greater well-being and prosperity. These rituals offer more than just a way to attract material wealth. They provide a pathway to deeper spiritual fulfillment and contentment. By aligning ourselves with the energy of abundance and prosperity, we enhance our lives and contribute positively to the world around us. Remember, it's not just about the rituals themselves, but the intention and energy we bring to them. Each practice is a reminder of our innate connection to the abundance of the universe.